Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to backup in iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on settings. Okay, then scroll down, click on general and tap on iPhone storage. Okay, then click, then back, tap on about. Okay, then back, click on Apple ID and tap on iCloud and click on iCloud backup, and this option tap on backup now, and this option already enabled. That's all to backup in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.